Per 100,000 people in Guam, there are 64.2 reported rapes. That's nearly 2.5 times the national rate, according to statistics from the University of Guam's Violence Against Women Prevention Program. For bill author Vice Speaker Tony Atta, it's the driving force behind Bill 33. The measure expands the scope of Guam's first and second-degree criminal sexual conduct laws, which currently offer stronger protections only to children aged 13 and under.
Guam's children need the protection of our laws to ensure that their homes are safe and that would-be sex offenders do not abuse their position of authority to victimize their children.
Perpetrators who target 14 and 15-year-olds and who are in positions of trust, power, or access could now face the most serious charges. This includes teachers, foster care providers, government employees, family members, or even those dating someone in the child's household. The Attorney General's office voicing their support.
The AG's office supports this legislation to strengthen our criminal sexual conduct laws and to better protect our people of Guam.
But it's not just about updating the law. Supporters say the bill also sends a message that Guam is ready to confront the growing role of substance abuse in these cases.
Meth is destroying the families. The next generation is being destroyed.
Jane Flores, director of the Bureau of Women's Affairs, telling lawmakers that prevention efforts, including education and awareness, must be part of the solution.
Awareness efforts do work in that they help to empower potential victims, because the more we empower a person, the more opportunity they have to protect themselves against sexual assault.
Assistant Attorney General Christine Tenorio also backing the bill, saying clearer definitions of relationships between abusers and victims will prevent future cases from slipping through the cracks in court.
I'm also the appellate attorney for criminal sexual conduct, so I have to go before the Supreme Court and argue definitions all the time and argue what the legislature intended. And so by more clearly delineating these relationships under this bill, it would enable me to prosecute more easily.
With 11 co-sponsors signed on in support of this legislation, there is hope for Bill 33's passing. Nevaeh Anderson, KUAM News.